Herbs are often the easiest plants of all, and fresh herbs transform everyday meals, and they're surprisingly expensive to buy from the supermarket. Growing your own means you can simply step outside and pick exactly what you need. For beginners, try basil, parsley, chives, thyme, oregano, dill, sage and cilantro. Rosemary also grows well in containers, but because it's less hardy in the winters, it's best brought indoors before the cold weather arrives. One herb deserves a special mention: mint. Mint is wonderfully easy to grow, but it's also incredibly enthusiastic. If planted in a flower bed, it will quickly spread and take over. The simple solution is to grow mint in its own container where it will stay neat, healthy and easy to manage.